So, from the top, put your feet a little more than shoulder width apart, and your toes should be pointed out slightly. Actually, the direction of your knees where they bend should line up with the direction of your toes where they point. You should be able to draw a straight line between your hip, your knee, and your toe. They should all face the same direction. Keep your weight through your heels, lower your hips down to a safe position, and then lift your hips up until your back is parallel or just slightly above parallel with the ground. Remember to keep your head down as much as possible throughout the entire movement. And that's it. Just keep going until you can't do anymore. And stop. Now don't think I've been doing these the whole time. This is a tough exercise. Now when you get out of this, don't drop down to the ground. Don't twist and tweak your knee. You want to put your forearms back on your thighs, maybe put your hands on your knees, support your body weight a little bit. But whatever you do, don't stand up straight yet. Keep your head down a little bit lower. You may actually want to kneel down or sit in a chair or something next to you. Take a breather. You know, what happens when you're doing any kind of lower body movement or any kind of exercise in general, you're dilating blood vessels in that area.